Hamre na long hatsakikan arong aje mesen pen kapacun. Long nit borchan guna taro klamalong ingkoidaner ke bang deng Karbi lamet amay pimesen pen kapacun jia pan tirikama may pen kachisik. West Karbi ang long lapen Meghalaya aduya hoy alam pen kacharwo saya puthak Meghalaya nong pualong mai kangni. Kardom nili Karbi prime time abirta thanbang sami junaliti mungpi non birta ang ton pen arjuik tha. Matipung Wakota Samabay Samiti Crop Center difu atumpen patirpi ponsi arkoini phai cleaner cap ani difu arboretum kam crop center angkang sapaya vision mission asai ke klema birta nangle. Sapaya Vision Mission asai ki claim along Karbi ang long labor union atum sitami chirap chitodun kapang tirasai ki jali na bangpi sabina teron pipen ng kapachini dun atengke arboretum kam crop center atong aray ki do atum arboretum atung aray along akitera hormu kewar hedachong chilang no daklo arboretum aray ki do arada tumapan arboretum angkang along kiter ki era hormu kewar hedede jiapan batay pulo sitami karju jetet ajok pini matipung buah kota Samabay Samiti Crop Center di Puatum Cingrum si kapang tirasay ting nang koklo pusi ningje non kibang jilangan ipen ke arboretum kam crop center dongal aray malok akitera hormu kiwar vede jiapan te bokterai ki doara dapan than pachini tikang loputa alang lipen than lapen patoy te pen war thu bomlang pulote adai sitami pinang kokku puta alang lipen than pachini pontu.
The town areas and the city areas of our country, our state and our district Karbi Anglong as well, we are going to do this to make clean and for all of our people to be holistic, and all of our enthusiasm is to upgrade our country. What our dignity is for our human beings is we are going to serve, because cleanliness is second to godliness. This is why we are facing to our gods to get the blessings from above. That what we are going to do is, the main purposes is clean India.
Matipung buah kota Samabay Samiti Crop Center pen mene organize kurisi la so puthak ladak kaduk avenilitum cetong pet pen la so ke pangthir jia phansi an so se dungarai tum phanta ka pangthir je pangthir thek jia phan la pen la sinilitum ta la ke sapha tang mate ka pangthir sinitum ji hang lo la se adungarai tum phan ka chuneng ria bangke la dak ka paletera red dead jia phansi ka chuneng ri lo la sinilitum bangta la so kam ke klem bangke Jepaklang nangkok lo hodai ta pudun si tame la son thak si hodai mani meta chethor enrang ve poda ka dung si vara ret la so ki var ve deji phansi ka choneng ri la pen la sinili tum la organize ka kurisi ka duka ve chitong pen tum la dak sapha pini ka chi hang lo la si adung arai tum hang ko som si ka tum sapha eji phat la pen monot phi se tame paletera re deji phansi choneng ri thu le thot lo
Cases hamren hawaramay pen patirpi ponsi hamren rong supia long ta kidam tang arkoi ni phai krip li ani pen pangcheng si arkoi ni phai cleaner cap anian hachakikan arongaji rongbong rong hang pathuak lamalong rat amay pikipe do pensi pejut abirta pherangke hundor kropen birta nang bali hachakikan ki pejut amay sar mohon singh terang mai pu cases hamren hawaramay pen mai kachipa hempu amay along Karbi richo ram singh rohang alisar puaman pen chitong dun Mayalong Minority Board Chairman Joy Singh Tiso, Soil Conservation Board Chairman Ronjit Teron, Lapen Hamden Municipal Board Dun May Puhet Sing Rong Parpen Danglok, Ong Dung Jutang Kaching Hon Adadatum Setong Dun. Kidang Tang Arkoi ni Pai Krip Lipen Kapang Chengsi, Prek Jama Hemalong Hacha, Nangkan Bombang Bompen Piniki Jut Siani, Kipejud Amayalong, Iprang Koson Pensi, Alilalon Pen Katalon Rapier Te Adang Kapacitak Higji Maalam He, Kacitan Kachimum Pado. Lapen kacharliao sumatumapan arjan ki hikachipati tami pado ponsi nong its tami kachitong dun alhia tum arideng pen pipa jirpontu
bang bangke hachake kan ke do ponwer pon seta rong rup atau kan olong soksi sokrai hose hachake kan bangke pado pon stamela saman bang bom si pini bangke karbia khai ajutang stame pir the hong chotai long dak karbia khai ta isa ajutang isi soksi sokrai lahaya hot Hachake kan lukhi karcho la so do pu per hia la along tame khai tin tame Karbi ajo tang porom puthi pen kelun ke kan la son hello pu ka pachinda han se pini da Karbi Culture Society tiri pia maya hen ban name deng ponlo la so teng pen se Karbi mas konsir ban tame ningkan wang tame hacha ke kan la so sayang deng pon se pini hamren arong so pian tame hamren Karbi Culture Society hamren wara maya hen pen patir pi pon se pini dak hamren arong so pialong rong bong rong hang kapatwa klam long se pini hacha ke kan asa yang deng pajut pon lo
Suri hini reng koi aning kana parman ing koi ner kep ang deng Karbi lamet ame pilong nit borchan kuna taro klamalong mesen pen kepechun jiapan kachisik kachidang padopon pomlo long nit borchan kuna taro klamalong suri hini reng koi aning kana parman ing koi ner kep ang deng Karbi lamet ame pi mesen pen kapaman jiapan chisik chidang pon bom tanglo Karbi lamet lam chong kaching honarat atum non kewang ji ar koi ni phaing koi ani pen ni phaing koi ra kithom ani an ing koi ner kep ang deng Karbi lamet ame pia long kachitong dun pe chia pan tidikam ame akong chun bang Dr. Lipson rong pi pen kachuning ri pado ang parta Karbi ang long along song do ana tuma pan stami non kewang ji ar koi ni phaing koi ani pen ni phaing koi ra kithom ani an ke Karbi ang long ang kang kir ki pha phidet chia pan na pen towards stami kerang kha khidet chia pan kachuning ri pado
Kat News Channel kelang according year to teman fans me ningkan kimia kardom pajur ponlo kardom non nilitum borjan ladak kurna taro klamalong ladak si pininga bangke ingdeng coroner kep Karbi lamet amai ningkan sekamai pi paman ponpo nili hiri kamakong sun bang hin pen ithetini alam Karbi anglong arara tuam phan la pen lamet lam chong kaching hon arara tuam phan kaneng je pon mate kachin ripon kak tung alam lo perlo non mat nilitum kisi kidang stame cheng pon bom lo nalitum theklong thai pola nilinu la pendel thedung abang nitum kim pat non kim rang pon bom lo la pen non arni sininia phi tang pon po la pen an par kaprek lo thui ke jor ponji la pen kaprek ansime tum kim rang pon bom lo Karbi anglong arada tuma phan kachuneng ri pon kang tung la ke non arni hot tanglo la pen non prabjin pen ni phaing koi pen ing kora ki thomang bong paman pon pol bang somai la sila bang somai kidoi sek song kaprek tum pustame la pen racharia song atum pen chenglok kaprek tum an pustame mithang alame lam chong mate mithang akam pu chimatha wan pen kangkir kang hababang nang padodun dedet simeji athema kangkir kang habdo kok pulutang tenili tum phan kam ke claim mate kaprek asayang deng ke claim busame tikuk dukok tahai la pen an chotagli ahin ben kewang ji Karbi anglong pen angtan pen kewang atum temedo alang tumhan ke dam kewang lahaya phan seme katora dukok tahai la si ning thelo dona tum seme nang chirap chitodun po la pen labang so amai pi chun pame pu pusi ning thelo
West Karbi anglong lapen Meghalaya aduya hoya lampen kacharvo saya puthak monsam pen ahoy ki dora datum kedo kithak lapen ason kaching thura saya musitami kidenglong jia phan pura Meghalaya nongpualong arkoi ni phai krit rock siani ardi dojot pen kaching wai ki pedo ponthua birta nongpo pen nilituma pherang ke jasaning hi pen birta nang pale West Karbi anglong lapen Meghalaya ahoy alam arjiding klui pen kacharvo sai aputhak bhom tar ni enalo por phai krihinia por pen Meghalaya nongpo district Deputy Commissioner lapen Police Sai Puatum RD Dojot pen kachingwai pado labang su kachingwai along Assam West Karbi anglong Meghalaya Ribhoi District lapen West Daintia Hills District Administration atum angbong kachingwai pado West Karbi anglong Block 1 lapen Block 2 puthak West Karbi anglong ahin pen MLA Dr. Mansing Rongpi Karbi anglong Autonomous Council M Rup Singh Teron West Karbi anglong Deputy Commissioner Said Ispagur Rahman Police Sai Phumri Talukdar lasu kachingwai along Chitongdun lapen lasu kachingwai along Meghalaya State District hini pen ADC lapen Police Sai Phuatum ta Chitongdun si kewang jia ni pen aduye hoya lampen kacharbo sayabang kabiden jia phan adi do chot pen kachingwai pado
The last time that we met here was on the 2nd of November 2018. We are pleased to be back because we hereby express our sincerity to actually resolve all unresolved issues and that the inhabitants of the border area should feel safe, they should be living peacefully, and the development which is their due, they should get, because border areas, they are all marginalized people. And they do deserve the development that the urban centers or the people who are occupying the census stage, maybe the capitals of Shillong or maybe the headquarters of Juai or Nongpo or other places. The border areas, they need to have the development of the same footing that other more developed places have. And border disputes should not impede the development process. And we are all here jointly and with due sincerity. We hope that in the days to come that all disputes will be resolved and that we should apply our minds to work in that direction.
We have a lot of need to ensure that people living in the rural areas are not suffering. And of course, our main ideology of meeting this is to ensure that developmental work is taken up in a peaceful manner with understanding, with sharing of information, so that there should not be any misunderstanding. That is the purpose of this meeting, and we are going to meet very often to ensure that there's peace in the border area, and also that we discussed that people right from the OC level of both sides should meet. Then the SPs, the DCs will be meeting on a frequent basis to ensure that all our programs are being taken up in the right manner. Thank you so much.
Dokmuka rong supiang kang Swasth Bharat Abhijan atumpen arkoini phai cleaner cap ani kapang thirasai kedeng. Labang Suasaya Phan Sanitary Incharge Hauraghat Public Health Center pen Robin Chandra Boro, Dokmuka Municipal Board Chairman Birente Ronang Parta, National Urban Livelihood Mission pen Songjalin Rong Parpi Lepen, Sang Eteron Piatum pen Kiklem Japon Linsi, Dokmuka Municipal Board Angkang Thebia Jota Kapang Thirang Parta, Akulat Tina Tumta, Aningkan Kilitang Ason Kijorlong Ledesia Phanta, Laptoy Pitekang. Lapen halapu Dokmuka Longkam Teron Auditorium Malongta Chandra Singh Teron Sikimo Amen pen Ninia Parman Badminton Kecepati Under 13 lapen 17 na tumapan arkoy ni Bhai Cleaner Cap ani pen ni Bhai Crystal Cap ani an Ninia Baha Kecepati Padupon Bomlo.
Dokmuka টাউনত স্বচ্ছ ভাৰতৰ কাৰণে আহি থকা 26 জানুৱাৰীৰ কাৰণে আমি স্বচ্ছ ভাৰতৰ কাৰণে আমি লাগিছোঁ উঠি পৰি লাগিছোঁ সেলফ হেল্প গ্ৰুপ আৰু dokmuka টাউন কমিটিৰ আমাৰ চেয়াৰমেন সাহেব আছে বৰবাবু আছে সমূহ ৰাইজ লৈনে বোলে dokmuকাৰ বজাৰ গোটেইখন আমি চাফ চিকুণ কৰিলোঁ ৰাস্তা ঘাট চাফ চিকুণ কৰিলোঁ আহি থকা 26 জানুৱাৰীৰ কাৰণে ভৱিষ্যতেও আগলৈও আমি তেনেকুৱা মাজে মাজে কৰি থাকিম বুলি এই ভাবটো আমি লৈছোঁ
West Karbi Anglong Achom Kimia Hawarang Kangalong Chinthong Youth Development Committee Lapen KSA Atumpen Arkoy ni Bhai Crit Trok ani Awareness Program on Education and Child Labor Jaime Kipedo Bona Birta Kat News sa Hamalong Birta Nangle Chinthong Youth Development Committee ame Pukam Sing Rong Parpen Kijalin Pon along KSA Atumpen Patirpi Ponsi Awareness Program on Education and Child Labor Jaime Achom Kimi Angkang Rong Troxi Arata Tumpen Chithan Chipariamay Achom Kimi LP School along Mai Pado Labang So Mai along CYDC Education Incharge Asot Hanse Lapen Probin Tisu AGS Darsing Hanse KSA Hamden District Education Incharge Rakeshpur Rongphar SGB Rongasar Lapen Pinangan Kithegiding Atum Pen Mai along RD Dokrong Pen Kachingwai Pado Non Malom So Poropan Birta Moin Ton Pexena
shopping mall is a Gulf of Assam Enterprise and the Hill Areas Department. A glorious 1 year now.
Here's everything you need: groceries and household supplies, cosmetics, personal care and skincare essentials, appliances and electronics, stationery, men's and women's clothing along with tribal clothing. Also a huge Durga Puja offer on Swati brand, an offer you cannot refuse. Shopping Mall, Difu Manja Road, Manja Industrial Complex, 782461, Manja, Karbi Anglong, Assam.
Dihina mo piputhot birta along Wangtulo. Nehru Yuwa Kendra pen patir PC arkoi ni phai crit rock ani pen ni phai Chriser Cape ani ani priya bha swasta awareness evam sramdhan ajay me kiklem pon boma birta nangle. Nehru Yuwa Kendra Bukajan Block pen ni priya bha swasta awareness swam sramdhan kidamtang themana ni pen sai kideng pangcheng ni priya jay me kapamana long Bukajan Block NYK Harsing Bay pen si jay me mesen pen kiklem kidamasai kideng pado. Tikilang Jun Katiso Believer Eastern Church along Bridge of Hope a child care project ahin pen kacharliao sumatumapan arkoi ni phai crit rock ani pekar o mate blanket kerona sai kedeng. Bridge of Hope pen kacharliao sumatumapan pekar om kerona sai along project coordinator Rakesh Kramsa lapen Rajaning tia tumpen kacepahem pupon along Alhiaman pen Tikilang Jun area SGB Roton Taupi pen Tanglok pinangan kacupa Alhiatum Cetong Dun. Kacitong dun alhia tumpen o sumarapan ning kapati alam hai hui than ang parta kacharliao sumara tumpen kilun kikan paklang terapi Bridge of Hope along kacharli dun bang pari sira bang poket susi ang sumara tumapan akijoy pen pekar om kirona sai nesen pen kapachuna berta long dun. Karbi prime time ang kelapon sikang ton peglo dumi thakmi kurwang tu.